Bluey was digging in the sandbox fast. Bingo built a tall tower beside her proud. Suddenly the ground rumbled deep below. Muffin shouted, "Did you feel that? Could something be moving?" Bandit hurried over, gripping his hat tight. Chilli pulled socks away from the sand quick. Rusty pointed as cracks spread wide. Could something rise up? With a loud crash, a huge chest burst open. Golden dust swirled into the air bright. Indy gasped, "That wasn't buried by us. Could it be ancient treasure?" Bluey touched the chest carefully, brave. It glowed hotter and hotter, strong. Bingo cried, "Open it quick. Could it be safe?" The lid creaked slowly, heavy, loud. Inside shimmered a glowing map, alive. Symbols shifted across its surface, strange. Could it lead somewhere secret? Bandit squinted at the glowing lines close. Chilli whispered, "It points toward the forest deep." Rusty shouted, "Then let's follow now. Could adventure be waiting?" They ran together past the trees dark. The air grew colder step by step, quick. Muffin clutched Indy's arm tight. Could danger lurk here? Suddenly statues lined the path tall. Their eyes lit red, glowing fierce. Socks barked and jumped back fast. Could they come alive? The statues marched forward, shaking ground. Bluey shouted, "Stay behind me." Bingo lifted her balloon high, shining bright. Could it break the spell? The light reflected on the statues' eyes, sharp. One by one they froze again, stiff. Rusty cheered, "It worked." Could they be safe now? At the end of the path stood a temple huge, its doors carved with dragons mighty. Indy yelled, "Push them open quick." Could treasure be inside? They shoved hard till the doors swung wide. A golden room blazed with jewels bright. Muffin squealed with joy loud. Could this be the reward? But in the center rested a crown glowing strong. The map floated above it, spinning fast. Bluey reached out slowly, calm. Could she claim it? The crown landed on her head, shining proud. The map folded itself and vanished, gone. Everyone gasped, amazed together. Could this be only the beginning? And if you want to wear the crown with them, drop a like, hit subscribe, and step into the next legend waiting right here.